Hello. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to perform the Mann-Whitney U test in SPSS. So here's a practical problem. It shows birth weight of infants and to those moms who smoked during pregnancy and to those moms who did not smoke during pregnancy. So you get 5 babies in each group. And the research question is there a difference in the distribution of the birth weight in these two populations? Okay, so the sample size is N1 equal to 5 and N2 equal to 5. So they are two independent samples. So we can apply the Mann-Whitney U test because the sample sizes are small and we're not sure if the data is distributed normally. So to actually perform the Mann-Whitney test, first I created an SPSS data set by just creating two variables, mother smoke, 0, 1. 1 is smoke and 0 is not smoke. And then birth weight for infant birth weight. And I manually entered these values here. So this is the data set looks like. And to perform the test, we go analyze, go nonparametric test and independent samples. Then you are prompted with this page. Let's leave the automatically compare distribution across groups here, and then we can collect field. So here the birth weight should go to the test fields, and the mother's smoking status, should go to the groups here. And then we go to settings. The default is automatically choose tests based on the data. So we click on customize tests and we select the Mann-Whitney samples. And there are many other, several other tests which we are not going to discuss here, but you can see this module has plenty of options. And you can take a look at the test options. The significance level, the default value is 0.05. Confidence interval is 95%. And it also has the option of excluded cases. And also you can give the options about how to deal with the missing data. Okay. So let's go back here. And then you click run. Then you'll be able to see this nonparametric test outputs. You can see the null hypothesis is the distribution of birth weight is the same across categories of yes for smoking mom during pregnancy versus those didn't. And the significance value is 0.056. So the conclusion would be we fail to reject the null hypothesis at 0.05 level. However, the sample sizes are so small, so likely if we specify the significant level at a 0.1 level, then we would be reject the null hypothesis. So usually at 0.05 level, we sometimes say this is marginally significant. And there's something more to explore in SPSS. You can point your mouse to this output area and right click, and then you can choose edit content and separate a window. So you can see on the right hand side, SPSS actually also creates a back-to-back histogram that lets you visually see the distribution of birth weight in the two groups. And you can actually see, even though the test itself doesn't yield a p-value less than 0.05, there's some differences in the two distributions. Okay, and also it gave you the test statistic, the total n, the sample size, and the Mann-Whitney U statistic. All right. So if you want deeper information, you can do that. Thank